Hi everyone and welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video, we'll be learning how to make bole and fish. Now this is a very easy meal to make, so sit back, relax and let's get cooking. For the full list of ingredients, do check the description box below. Now the first step will be to peel the plantains you'll be using. You can use any type of plantain. You can use ripe plantain, you can use unripe plantain, and you can use semi-ripe plantain. For this I'm using ripe plantain. So you just peel the skin of the plantain. Score and set aside. You just need to peel it. You don't need to do anything more. Just peel it, score it and set aside. Now make sure you have your burner ready. For this I'm using an outdoor charcoal grill. So you place the plantains on the charcoal grill and grill on each side while making sure it doesn't get burnt. Just make sure you grill it on each side. Now remove the plantains from the grill and set aside. Now it's time to work on the fish. For this I'll be using mackerel fish, but you can use any fish you have available. I love the taste of mackerel, so I'll be using mackerel fish for this. So you score the mackerel fish. Now we're scoring this to ensure that the seasonings we're going to rub on this enters completely. So the seasonings gets into the fish. And place the scored mackerel fish in a bowl. Now the first seasoning to go in is the pepper. This is chili pepper, powdered chili pepper. Next is salt. And finally oil. You rub that all over the fish completely. Then you leave the fish to marinate for about 20 minutes before placing on the grill. Now the reason we're using palm oil for this is because palm oil tends to prevent it from burning. Okay, the palm oil prevents it from burning and also gives it a very nice flavor. So you place that on the grill and ensure you watch it so it doesn't burn, because it tends to burn quickly if you do not regulate the heat. So just watch that fish and grill it on both sides. Just watch it, just give it like maybe 5 minutes on each side and grill. Ensure you have your pepper sauce ready. To learn how to make this pepper sauce, check the description below. Ensure you have that ready to glaze your fish. It's going to serve as a dip and the glaze for the fish, okay? So check how to make that in the description box below. So you use that to glaze the fish and your bole and fish is ready. Enjoy! Now if you enjoyed watching this video, do give me a thumb up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. Till next time, bye bye.